In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can turn off restricted mode here on YouTube. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is going to work on an iPhone, Android, Samsung, and even on desktop. But before we do start, if you're on an iPhone or Android, go ahead and open up the App Store or Google Play Store, search for YouTube and update it if it is available. And then from here, open up that YouTube app. At the bottom right corner, go ahead and select your profile icon just like so and make sure you're signed into the correct account. And up in the top right corner, you're going to see a little settings gear. Go ahead and select that. Scroll down a little bit, select general up at the very top. And once you do select that, you can see a bunch of settings. Go ahead and scroll down on here until you see restricted mode right here. And as you can see, it's currently turned off for me. If it's turned on, go ahead and simply toggle it off just like so. As soon as it's disabled, you're done. If you're on computer, it's the exact same thing. But that is how you could turn off restricted mode here on YouTube. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.